Hello my dear traders, today I'll show you my bot that practically trades for you. So let's start our trading session. We are ready on the pocket option, but first we will withdraw a certain amount of money. So as always, do forward in this, we go to output, then click on this. After that we click add money. I do this in order to not to immediately withdraw, but withdraw with a small profit when you invest a certain part in the safe. You see I put 210 and we have this amount. And now we move on to the trading itself, and also I'll show you my bot. 1 minute, deal amount $200, time frame is 1 minute, and well, by bots, what to say, we see concept pass. I'll immediately show you how to use the bot. Choose the minute time frame, English language in the upper right corner, and also choose the first concept app. It's quite simple. The first button, we now press signals, switching to concept app, and then we open the signal. We see up deal because we see this signal. Percentage is 90% of successful deals. So I'll demonstrate it to you. Enjoy the video. I'll speed up it. So until the end of the video, 4, 3, 2, 1 second. Yeah, great. The deal is closed with bots into plus. So I think it's very simple. So anytime you can open a deal. We have now switched to my Telegram channel. It's mainly work with my bot. Also funny situation, we say text me plus bot. This means getting a bot. Also here on publish a session, we see 6 wins out of 7, approximately 90% plus or minus. I also publish the bot settings. How to get it? Just text me plus bot. The link to my Telegram is in the description. If you have any questions, also write to me. I'll be glad to answer them. So go on. We see results. Who wants to trade with my bot? Who without? It's as you wish. And I developed this bot with my team. I'll test it. And you'll see the profit. This 23 winning out of 24, and of course this is true that we have 90% of successful deals. So I give you a different recommendation also, especially if you're a new buy, and I'll give you more different information. Interesting. And yeah, we see concept the second, switching to the second, click start signals. Always don't forget click, and do not confuse concept as, because this often occurs such a mistake. I remind you again. I just show the link to my Telegram channel. If something you'll find it in the description. So let's see. Bearish trades. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. So 6, 5, 4, 3 seconds left until the end. Yeah, perfect. We have a plus deal. Our balance $27,000. And we start signals, the bottom. And we move on to the third concept, start signals, and just wait for the signal. Down deal, it will be nothing to do more. It's very easy, and I sped up the video. So we have 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Great. Perfect. It still closes with us as a plus. Very, very nice. $154 our profit. Good for us. And we move on to the fourth concept. Click start signals. Quite simple, clear, and nothing complicated. So absolutely good. You'll find you can text me plus bot and nothing to do anything at all. The bot is simple as possible, and we receive a signal. During the signal, if some like 10 seconds to a minute on average, while often it's still needs to be analyzed, so we speed up. So 4 seconds left, but it's analyzing. Yeah, plus deal. And I want to make some summarize. You'll see the balance, good result. We raised $500. It's pretty easy. So this very simple with bot. So you can text me plus bot. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description. You'll see the languages on the screen. You'll choose any you wish. If you have any questions, if you want some more languages, just write to me. And once again, let's get acquainted with the Telegram channel quickly. You join it, you'll see the tips. I'll publish general pros, and I make some this. You'll see how to get bots, updates, different. You'll see this on the screen where wake up and public different information. Truly, you'll see this useful information. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. Let's finish. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.